Hey everybody, welcome to Buffet Minded. Today is an exciting day. We're at IKEA in Emeryville and we are going to be going to the Midsommer Celebration. I guess in Sweden when it's that time they have celebrations, and we're going to go to a very exclusive buffet. It was very difficult to get tickets. We became family members, which is free. And then we had to go pick up the tickets. Well, first we were on a waiting list, and then we got off the waiting list, and then the email said to click here, but there was nowhere to click here. So then the hubs went and got us tickets. The tickets were $19.99 each, $25.99 if you're not a member. But we were lucky. So inside, here we are, the maze that is known as IKEA. And wasn't too bad finding the restaurant today. We kind of were able to take shortcuts. But here's all the glassware and all the cool Scandinavian things. Such a pretty store. I like how they have rooms set up so that you can see what your things will look like. So here we are coming very, very near to the buffet. And here it is. Our Swedish restaurant is closed for the Midsummer event. Now, we saw it spelled Midsommer, S-O-M-M-E-R, but here it's spelled like summer. And then we get a little peek of how beautiful the Emeryville IKEA is and how they have it all decorated. It's just so cute. Here's the menu, and yeah, it's yummy, yummy stuff. Here's some more of the decorations. It really looks like spring, doesn't it? Maybe midsummer means mid-spring. I was assuming it was summer, but yeah. So very, very pretty. We're so excited. We had to wait in a line to be able to go in, but it was fine. People are really nice. Here is the little table reserve signs that are going to go on our table. And here are the tickets. We're so excited to have these tickets. So once we were inside, I went straight to the dessert table, of course, to look at all the wonderful desserts. And look how cute it's set up with the Swedish flag and little lights and little shoebox cookies and weird candies. I don't know. So then we walked over past things to grab our tray and start loading up. So we got the dill and mustard herring, which I will skip. No, and the dill and salmon. Oh, actually it's the same. Honey, could you put one on mine? Sure. Eggs with mayo and shrimp. So good. Swedish shrimp salad. Good thing I have somebody getting the things for me. I don't know how you could do this. And that looks like it's the same. And now time for the main course. Everybody's working hard. Or as my dad would say, working hard or hardly working? I would say they're working hard. So here we waited quite a while to get help. They were busy in the back setting things up. I guess they weren't really ready for us. So I just took the time to be able to video the different meatballs they had. They have vegan and regular. They had veggie balls. They had two kinds of sauces, like a lemon and I don't know, gravy type. And then they had a poached salmon with the grilled onions, roasted potatoes and peas. So here we are getting here we go. Yeah, I want everything. I just want the front one. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, they should have.
Like veggie or chicken balls?
Yeah, that'd be great. Veggie ball?
Everything?
Yeah. Well, not the chicken balls, the veggie balls. Thank you.
Oh, veggie?
Veggie balls? Yeah. Thank you.
Did you want the cream sauce?
Yeah. Thank you. That's great. What's this sauce?
It's like the lemongrass aioli.
I'll have some of that too. Thank you.
Just on top with it?
Sure. Thanks.
Salmon?
Yes, please. Thank you. A well done looking piece. Are any of them well done looking? Or are they all about the same? They might be.
No, that probably just has more to it.
Oh, okay.
I think this one looks kind of...
That sounds, yeah. Thanks. Thank you. On the mac and cheese, just a teeny bit.
Just a teeny?
Yeah, just small. That's plenty. Thank you so much. Looks amazing. Thank you. Look at this plate so far. Trying to figure out what this is. Is it chocolate pudding? I don't know. And then there's a salad. Oh, yum. I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. So it looks like we have potato salad, regular salad, coleslaw, pickled cabbage sauce. Looks like pizza salad. It is pizza salad. And potato salad. So then they have a drink station. Coffee, milk, half and half. Condiments. And then lots of fountain beverages. Ooh, sparkling raspberry, lingonberry, pear. Oh, there's all kinds I want to try. Sparkling lemon and cola. Yum. So, oh, what should I try? Sparkling pear, raspberry, lingonberry. I think I'll try pear. That's different. Whoa. Bubbly, bubbly. We were shown all the tables and we got to choose the one we wanted. And we chose this one because there's a nice view of the Golden Gate Bridge and the Bay Bridge. Pretty cool. Alright. Okay, first thing we're gonna try, everything looks so good. Try one of these vegan meatballs. Can't even tell they're not meat. You bite into it, it's soft and spicy. Now let's try some peas. So good. Okay, I'm just about to try these yummy cucumbers, pickles. Good. Real strong. A lot of dill. Kind of like your mom used to make, the Japanese one.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Okay, I'm going to try this salmon salad. Now, this is something I wouldn't normally eat. I'm eating it for you guys. There we go. Very refreshing. It's mayonnaise-y and cold. Everything has a lot of dill on it. Dill must be a big deal in Sweden. I'm not a fan of dill typically, but it's good. It's okay. Okay, next up, I'm gonna have this poached salmon. She specifically gave me this lemon. Isn't it cute? They're really nice. Okay, look at all the layers of shrimp. Oh, they're so luscious. They're just falling off. Very tasty. Got a nice salty seasoning on it. And there's a lemon, so it tastes very bright. I like it. All right, next up, let's try this roasted potato. Oh, it cuts with a fork, tender. Do love potatoes. Let's try it. It's just a potato. There's no seasoning, no salt, nothing. Kind of boring, actually. But still good, because, you know, I love potatoes. Let's put some sauce on it. That's going to make it better. Yeah, 100% better. So I would suggest, if you get the potatoes, ask for some sauce to be put on it. Okay, next I'm going to try this deviled egg. Looks good. There's like a little dollop of mayonnaise. Look how cute it is. Very nice presentation. Down the hatch. Tastes yummy. So, this is good. It's a very good meal. We're going to finish off our first round. Maybe go back for seconds and thirds and fourths. And then dessert. See you soon. All right. Wasn't sure what this was. I think it's pudding, but it was hot. I don't know. You have hot pudding? Maybe in Sweden. Yep. Whoa, that is chocolate. That just tastes like pure chocolate. Not pudding. It's like you would have that dipped on a strawberry. That is rich. I know. Unmelted. Oh, is it? Look at this. It's like a bar. Oh, how funny. So this is the inside of that plant ball. Yeah. How is the chocolate? I bet. I didn't get one. So this was really good. I think it's a good deal for 20 bucks. I'm not sure it's any different than their meals usually, except the way they have them displayed, which is beautiful. But we're not done yet. We still have to go get dessert. Here's the inside of the vegan meatball, which I believe is this one. This one. And this is the vegetable ball. I think out of everything that I've had today, my favorite thing was the deviled egg. So when we went to get seconds on the egg salad, we noticed that the chocolate was completely gone. So good thing we got some. And now they have different chunks of cheese on it. And they have like a block of white and then once again the cheddar. And I'll eat neither of them, but just interesting. Sometimes that's disappointing to me because I think, well, wait a minute. The buffet should be every single thing the same so that you don't miss out on anything. So here we are at the beautiful dessert table. They have it so pretty. Looks so great. So we're gonna get the nougat almond bar. Very tiny bite. And then, I don't know what these are. Maybe they're like those candies where you bite it and it squirts out Coca-Cola. It just says candies. And then some kind of a shoebox cookie. I don't know what a shoebox cookie is, but they look adorable. They're so perfectly, they're like Amanda Zink used to make them. Perfect cookies, and I was always like, how do you make them so perfectly? Fresh strawberries, which will pass. Strawberry shortcake. Holy cow, this is a big piece. Wow, look at that. That's, whoa, that's really too big. But I'm taking it. Okay, let's take it back to the table and check it out. Okay, here we are back at the table. So we got that almond nugget candy, this very, very large strawberry shortcake, the cute little shoebox cookies, and underneath is the tiny candy, which I can't even tell what that is, and a much needed cup of coffee. Let's try this candy. Oh, is that a pineapple? I don't know what that is. Well, whatever it is, I don't like it. It's hard and yucky. Let's try the cookie. Oh, yum. That's really good. It's like a coconut sable. Or those lace... No, not sables. The lacy Florentine. Very good. Let's have some coffee. coffee's really good, actually. Let's try this nougat almond candy. It's huge. Kind of like, it tastes like a Snickers bar without the crunchy part. I'm not gonna eat it. I'm not that much of a fan, but I bet people really like this. I just don't like that kind of candy. I'm trying to cut down on candy. Okay, let's try this beautiful strawberry shortcake. Oh my gosh, so good. It's like light and sweet and soft, like a strawberry shortcake should be, but the berry jam in the center is just really sweet and cold, and there's like a whipped cream. Oh yeah, that's very good. So overall, I think this was a really fun event. But look, it's not even full, and it's a very rare event, and it was hard to get tickets to. I don't understand, because there's a lot of room, but maybe most people come for the dinner buffet part, and we came for lunch. Thanks for joining us. Okay, I'm back because I have to give a special shout out to this coffee. I don't know why it's so good. It's just plain coffee, nothing special, but it's like so yummy. I'm gonna buy a bag of it. Here's another cute little display, little Swedish display. Oh, I adore that. So cute. Wonderful time was had. There's Art's cousin Andy. I mean Eric.